The next pelvic exercise is our strong, slow squeeze. I think you like how that sounds, strong, slow squeeze. This is about being able to hold that pelvic contraction, not at 100%, because that would be too much, at about 70%, 70 to 80%, and seeing if you can hold it for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, maximum of 20 seconds. And being able to breathe as you do this, being able to have everything else relaxed. As always, starting on the floor, working into sitting, and working into standing. Being able to gently hold the pelvic floor and breathe can be much more challenging to start off with. If you're not sure how to find that 70%, think about that exercise we just did, which was the quick contraction, where we got used to lifting up that pelvic floor all the way up that lift to 100%. So you could just practice that a few times, going up to that 100% and just releasing it a little bit, and that's your 70%. Some of you may find there's a bit of all or nothing at the moment, that you can be really tight or it can be relaxed, but that in between is a little bit more difficult to control, and with time and practice it will come. To start off today, we're only actually going to think about potentially holding for up to 5 seconds and 5 breaths. You will have to build this up in your own time, and some people start with 1 or 2 breaths in and out, and then gradually they increase it and they increase it. So making sure that you're comfortable focusing on that 360 breathing, taking a breath in, and as you breathe out, that 70% contraction of your pelvic floor. See if you can keep that engaged as you take your next breath in and out, seeing if you can keep gently keeping it engaged as you're breathing in and out, breathing in and out, breathing in and out, breathing in and out, and then relax. If it let go before I said relax, do not worry about that. Keep practicing. Maybe it's 2 breaths, as I said, maybe it's 3 breaths. Try and do that 10 times in a row. As you get stronger, go for 5 breaths or 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, sets of 10, 3 times a day. So let's go through that once more. We're going to take a breath in. As we breathe out, that contraction of 70% to the pelvic floor, trying to keep it engaged as we breathe in and out, 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 and rest. Well done. So that's your second exercise to practice 3 times a day, trying to build up to 10 to 20 seconds, up to 10 times in a row.